Hey, I'm Hassan from GoGenuity platform. We are an IT service and asset management company. We allow our users to have multiple integrations in our platform, just like G Suite, Office 365, AWS, Salesforce, Azure, and many others, to sync their data from their accounts into our platform easily, so that they do not have to manually upload the records one by one. So this is our marketing website, and users can log in from to the Genuity platform from here, and we are using the Cognito service from Amazon Web Services to have this secure authentication process. We have different modules like assets, contracts, vendors, and we offer the G Suite integrations in two modules. First for the assets vendors module, and the second one is for the staff module. Firstly, I will demonstrate like how we are using the Google Workspace integrations in the vendors module. So if any user integrates his Google account from here, and in this consent screen, we are also showing the client ID and the redirect path. So this is the client ID, and once the user authenticates to all of our required scopes, it is redirected back to this screen. And once the integration is completed, we show all the apps and the licenses of the users. So this helps the administrators of the company to easily analyze the apps that are getting used by their staff members, and also about the licenses information, like how many licenses they have bought, what are its analytics, like how many of them are used or how many of them are getting expired, and everything like that. So the first use case is this, and the second use case is in the staff members. So this, we basically fetch all the staff members from their account to, so that they do not have to manually upload one by one, and they can simply integrate the Google Workspace account, and all of their users will be synced with the Genuity platform here. And we are also showing the client ID here, and the name of the website is also displayed. So once the integration is done, we are displaying all the users in the ready for import section, so that they can easily import to their staff. And once they are imported to staff, all the staff members will be enlisted here. So previously we were using all these scopes, but now we have added the functionality to have the groups in our Genuity platform. And in order to achieve this, we are also allowing our customers, we are also basically offering our customers to sync their organizational units and groups from their G Suite account into our platform, so that they can easily filter out the groups and organizational units. And we will be also giving them the ability to select which staff members they want to sync. Like for example, there are 10 organizational units in their companies, but they only want to sync few members of them, so they can basically sync only the administration staff members or only for the developers. So they can select the particular group or particular organization unit, and they can sync only those users. So this will be the feature that we will be offering, and for this purpose we need to make our scopes verified from the Google. The two additional scopes that we are asking for. So that is it from my side, and thanks for watching the video.